Let me ask you a question. Have you ever struggled with expensive Facebook ads or expensive ads overall for your e-commerce business? I'm going to guess you said yes because I've struggled with that myself. So in today's video, what I want to do is share with you a case study on this brand that has built up an audience of 500,000 followers on TikTok for free. And the crazy thing is, with the amount of views that they're getting, we can estimate that they've easily generated over $100,000 for this brand. So a 6-figure per year brand through literally just TikTok. So let's talk about why this is important and why you should watch this video. Well, because honestly, it's been a struggle for dropshipping and e-commerce brands in general to have profitable Facebook ads. So this will be a breath of fresh air for some of you that have been struggling a lot. Because if you start applying some of the things that we'll learn from this case study, you'll be able to finally build your business up in a sustainable way. Before we begin, I do want to announce that I'm going to be having one of my friends who's generated millions in e-commerce come into the tier 2 NetSphere Discord this Friday to have a conversation with me. I will be recording it and releasing it sometime next week or the week after that. But if you want to join live and you want to participate in some in-depth conversations and just a really dope community around online hustles, then consider joining the tier 2 NetSphere membership. So you get basically the tier 2 roundtable recordings, which we've done 5 so far. This will be the 6th on Friday. And then you get basically an entire course on e-commerce, and not just e-commerce really. I mean, there's a lot on here, but it's 95% e-commerce. And that's aside from getting access to our tier 2 Discord masterminds. So this is kind of like a VIP section in the NetSphere Discord. And you can get access to all of that with the membership. So check that out in the description and sign up. I would love to see you in there. So the store that I'm talking about is called Cairo Center Shop. Now, if you are active in the TikTok scene or the e-commerce TikTok scene, you've probably seen this before. And it's actually a really cool store. I really love how simple it is. It's extremely motivating and very clever. So as you can see from my screen, some of their videos go completely viral. So they get, 600,000 views, 300,000 over here, 3.8 million views over here, 2.8 million. So this is how they've built up an audience of 500,000 plus followers. I mean, they just literally go so viral on TikTok. Now, this brand is using drop shipping in order to sell this product. So if we take a look at their website, it's extremely simple. I mean, they're literally using the Brooklyn theme on Shopify. You could create a website like this in probably an hour or two. And if you use my link in the description, you can actually get a free trial. So check that out. But if you've been watching my videos for a while, or if you've been involved in the e-commerce scene for a minute, then you know that this product is nothing new. I mean, this product has been around for a long time. However, it actually is a good product. So this is why it stood the test of time. And I guess that's lesson number 1 here is sell products that you know have longevity. Because if you do, then you'll be able to create something like this that has so much viral potential and actually gets people excited to buy your product. But what I really love most about this TikTok approach is the fact that you do have to create content yourself for it. Therefore, you have to order your products and make sure that they're actually good. So of course, this does take a little more effort, right? Because you have to put in more upfront work by ordering your product, creating content and whatnot. But the payoff could be huge, especially if you can actually build an audience like this. This is such a valuable business, and I'm sure that they're extremely profitable because of how much effort they put into their organic TikTok. So the strategy that they're using is really simple. They're just using viral songs and just making these funny texts, right? Of their backs cracking. So their backs crack like really hard and it makes this, cracking sound. And they're posting every day. So that's kind of the viral formula is post every single day, first of all, and use viral music. That's what works the best. And one of the things that I see that is working really well too is that they kind of talk to you as if they were a person. Like if it's one person running this, like this feels way too amazing, guys. That's not what a traditional brand would do. And I think that's why this TikTok strategy is working so well, is because it's not really like what most brands do. So it's original, it's unique, and people just feel like they're communicating with a person. So see, this has 12 million views, over 1 million likes. And it's literally just ridiculous. It's just this guy, cracking his back, but he has a really funny caption. Feast your eyes on greatness, people. Level 10 ultimate booty clincher. So this has like some funny sexual kind of noises in there, which clearly goes viral. So that's another thing that we can note there. But yeah, I mean, there's really not much more we can say about this brand. Like, let's just watch a few more of these so that you can get a good idea of how you can actually create these. It's very simple, and these people are literally using native text on TikTok as well. So it's not like, you know, they're using crazy editing softwares or anything. Like, this is straight up creating videos on TikTok. They're making them really fast though. And again, they're using very viral songs and just really good captions that are funny to make themselves stand out. And of course, like we've covered, the product is just really good. Like, you know, it seems very satisfying. You can crack your back, you know, as far as you want. But that's about it, guys. I really hope that you put this to use. Again, make sure you join the Netsphere membership if you're interested in that, and use my Shopify affiliate link to start a store like this today. Action is the best way to learn. So that's why I try to keep these videos concise and to the point so that you can just get started, take action, and use the inspiration you're getting as soon as possible. But that's about it. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.